Got a surprise for you.
What?
A surprise.
Which was?
Open it and find out.
And this?
Yeah?
What's doing up? And this? Oh, it's in there. Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Mom. Well done. I will fill with that, Mom.
It's Zombie Jeffy.
Yes, it's Phil.
He's a real zombie.
I'm Phil Spiffy.
Yeah, his arm comes off. Which arm? Can you get his arm off?
Oh, you do that.
He gets this one. It's velcroed on there. Pull. Ah, his arm fell off. Isn't he cool? He's got a missing leg. This is not focusing for some reason. Now it's focusing. Okay. Brain on top of his head. That is just awesome.
Hey. Thank you, the favorite puppet.
You're welcome. Zombie Jeffy, stop that.
Why, Daddy? Why? My secret puppet.